What up, guys? Welcome back to another Nulled update video. So this is a quick review of the LocalCoin script that has been installed on the website. As you can see, this is it. So yeah, you can just go through it and just check out some stuff there. And you can click on buy, sell, contact, or click on login or register. Let me just click on the login page. Yeah, as you can see, this is the login page. Yeah, so that's it. So I'm just gonna go back to the home dashboard and click on the icon. So I'm gonna show you the admin dashboard too. This is the admin dashboard. This is usually used to manage the details on the front end, right? So that's it. So you can just go through all of this after you've installed it. So yeah, so this is just the quick preview, right? So yeah, to get started, now let's get into the full video, right? So first thing first, go to nodeupdate.xyz. As you can see, nodeupdate.xyz. So you wait for the website to load. Yeah, as you can see, this is it. So you can just go straight up and search for LocalCoins. No, but before I do that, you can just add quick payment to your wallet. You can add quick amount to your wallet and subscribe to premium. But let's continue to searching for LocalCoins. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna click on search. Yeah, so that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna click on the login, the view icon. Yeah, I'm gonna click on the view icon. Right? Yeah, so that's it. So yeah, you can just go through all of this details on how to install, test, but I'm not gonna be doing that in this video. So yeah, so I'm just gonna pick the plan I want. The license option is gonna be extended license. As you can see, I'm gonna choose this 6-month plan, and you can add to cart or buy now directly, right? So but I'm just gonna click on buy now directly because it's just gonna take me straight up to the checkout dashboard, right? So I'm just gonna click on buy now, and it takes me to the checkout page. So you just wait for it to load, right? As you can see, yeah, so that's it. You can pay with now payments or your wallet balance if you got any in your balance. So I'm just gonna click on continue. Click on continue. Yeah, so that's it. Payment completed. So let me click on view my purchases. You click on view my purchases. Yeah, so that's it. So yeah, you have to click on the 3-dot icon, but let me just reduce the zoom over here. I'm gonna reduce the zoom, and yeah, so that's it. Yeah, so you have to click on this 3 dots, yeah, and click on download and wait for the download to start. Right, so that's it. So okay, yeah, that's it. As you can see, right, yeah, this is it. The download has started already, so I'm gonna see when the download is completed successfully. Yeah, so we're back, and this is it. The download has been completed, so I'm gonna go to my cPanel. Yeah, and yeah, so I'm gonna scroll down a little bit and go to your file manager. Click on file manager. Right, so yeah, click on file manager, just like so. Yeah, so as you can see, you can go into the subdomain folder if you want, or public underscore HTML, but I'm gonna be using the subdomain folder, which is localcoins.nodeupdate, right? Yeah, as you can see, the directory is empty. I'm gonna upload. Yeah, I'm gonna upload the file. Click on the upload icon at the top, and yeah, that's it. Right, so yeah, I'm gonna click on my download and drag it in. So I'm gonna drag it in. Yeah, as you can see, the download has started. So you have to wait for a couple minutes for it to be completed. You have to wait for some time, and it's gonna be completed. Yeah, but I'll catch you when the download has been completed. here, as you can see, yeah, that the upload is currently at 100%. So yeah, let's just wait for it to turn green. Okay, as you can see, it's been completed 100%. So I'm gonna reload this, right? Just gonna reload this and click on this and right click and extract. Click on extract it, extract files. Yeah, so wait for this to load. Yeah, so that's it. So I'm gonna click on close, right? So the zip file which we just uploaded, you can you could just delete it if you don't need it anymore. I don't need it anymore, so I'm gonna be deleting it, right? So I'm gonna let me just close this, yeah, and go to the website. I'm gonna go to the website LocalCoins dot Nulled updates dot XYZ, right? So that's it, and click on enter. As you can see, it says that the PHP version required is 8.3, so you have to go back to your cPanel and search for PHP, right? And click on multi PHP manager, right? And yeah, so you can actually just click on the domain name you want to use. Mine is LocalCoins, so I'm gonna click on LocalCoins and change the PHP version to 8.3. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna click on apply. Yeah, that's it. So I have to wait for it to be applied. So it's gonna take a few seconds for it to be applied successfully. Let's say 10 seconds at max, or 20 seconds. Yeah, so that's it. It's been applied. So I'm gonna refresh this. So you can see it. Yeah, this is it. This is it. So you can actually just start the installer if you want, and this arrows at the top, you can just ignore it. Just the installation, you don't really need it. So you can, as you can see, the easy installer / node update, that's what we're talking about. So I click on agree, and next step, right? As you can see, you have to change the files permission to 0775, right? Go back to your file manager, right? So yeah, go to your so it's on the core. So yeah, core, open the core folder, right? And go to the bootstrap folder and change the permission of this cache to 0775, right? So 0775, right? Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna copy this permission, copy it and save, right? So I'm gonna click on open level. Yeah, so the next one we gotta do is storage. Yeah, so you just gotta open the storage folder, and yeah, so you have to open the storage folder and change it to the needful storage. Yeah, you change the storage to 0775, right? So that's, you have to click on storage and change the permission to 0775 and save, and open the storage folder again. Open the folder, right? And you have to change the app, framework, and logs, right, to 0775. Yes, I'm gonna click on save. Framework, paste it and save. Logs, paste it and save, right? So I'm gonna go back and click on recheck, right? So that's it. As you can see, click on next step. Yeah, as you can see, so you can just create a new database and input the database password. But I'm gonna show you now. So you go to add to your cPanel to create a database name and all of that. So go back to your cPanel, right? Search for move this and search for database, management database. Click on that. So you wait for it to load, right? So yeah, so you create a new database. Yeah, so I'm gonna name the database LocalCoins and create database. I'm gonna copy the name. Yeah, so go back. So once you've gone back like this, you have to scroll down, and yeah, I click on go to the add new user section, and the password, you can use a password generator if you want, or use your password. I'm gonna use a password generator, or no, I'm gonna generate a new password. Yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna copy this and go back to my installer. Yeah, so I'm gonna paste it, yeah, right? And I'm actually gonna save the password to my, you can actually save the password to your notes or, you know, wherever, but I'm just gonna save it in this new tab without doing anything. So I'm gonna, so what's the database? Let me just click on, let me finish this and click on, I have copied this password in a safe place and create a new user, right? That's it. So yeah, so I'm gonna copy this name. Yes, I'm gonna input it twice because the database name and the user is the same. So yeah, local host, this database host, you put local host, right? So admin username, I'm gonna input node update. No, let me just put it here. Update admin password. So I'm gonna use the same database password. So you can just put any password you want here, but I'm gonna be using the database password. The email address, I'm gonna be putting my personal my email, right? So I'm gonna input it right now, right? So I'm gonna input it. That'll be, yeah. So I'm currently inputting it, right? Currently inputting my email. So I'm actually gonna blur this out. I'm gonna blur the email out. This is a personal information. Yeah. So I'm gonna click on. Don't click on install yet. Don't click on install yet. But you know you have to add the user. Go back to your database settings and you see panel. Go back and add the user. Add the new user you just created, which is LocalCoins. Add it to the database. LocalCoins also whatever the database name you gave or user. So you add it and yeah, and allow all privileges and make changes. Right, so that's it. So I'm gonna go back and click on install now. Install now. As you can see, the system has been installed successfully, right? Valid license, node update.xyz. Right, so you're just gonna click on go to websites and activate. So, but before you do that, let me just delete this install file. Go to your directory where the local coin file is installed and delete this install folder. Delete the folder and yeah, and click on go to website and activate. Yeah, so this is it. LocalCoins has been installed successfully, right? So you have to click on just go to the admin dashboard /admin, right? So I click on enter. Yeah, so I'm gonna input the username, which is Nulled update. So the password, I'm gonna paste the password which I used, which I copied the other time, and click on login. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, I've been logged in successfully. So I don't want to save the password, so I'm just gonna cancel this. Yeah, as you can see, this is the cron you should run. So I'm gonna copy this, go back to your cPanel, and search for cron. So cron jobs, right? So that's it. You click on it and scroll down a little bit, and you should just the comment setting set it to 5 minutes. once per 5 minutes and paste it here, right? That's it. Yeah, as you can see, so you can just go back to the admin dashboard and you click on cancel. The cron job is going to run automatically. So yeah, you have to go back to the system settings, right? So, and you can actually go through all of the settings, but I'm going to be clicking on the manage templates, and I'm going to click on select this elite template, right? So you can continue going to the system settings, and I'm going to view the current template which was installed, right? So yeah, this is it. This is the current template which was installed just now, right? So you could just let me just go back to or you could just log in, do whatever you want, right? You can log in, do whatever you want, but I'm just gonna go back to the admin or general settings, right? And you can change the title, the time zone, whatever you want. Over here, you can change everything over here to your taste, whichever one you want, and go back, right? Right, so you can go to the system configuration settings, and as you can see, you can just turn on some settings there, like the privacy policy. Yeah, so you turn it on like that. The KYC option, email verification, every single one you want to install, right? You could just install whatever one you want. Yeah, so you could install this and then disable or enable it. And yeah, SMS notification, you can actually disable or enable that too, and click on submit, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna go back to the system settings, and yeah, go to the notification settings, right? So yeah, so you can actually change the image which is actually showing in the email, right? So you can just go through the whole code if you understand it. But this is it. As you can see, this part which says HTTPS IMGUR. So you can actually just search for. I'm gonna search for a demo template, a demo image, right? I'm gonna use a demo image, and I'm not gonna be using this. Let me open this in there. Let me open the image in a new tab, right? I'm gonna view the image as it is, right? So that's the best thing to do. I'm just gonna view the image. Okay, so this is it. This is it already. So I'm gonna copy this, right? Copy, and I'm gonna go back to my admin dashboard, right? I'm gonna paste it here. As you can see, the logo has been changed successfully. Logo has been changed successfully like this, like so. So you can actually change a lot of contents in this, right? You can change it to your website name. So I'm gonna put this as Nulled update and give it a space. Update, right? So, and you can actually input you have to input your site email over here. Input the site email. I'm gonna input mail at node node updates dot xyz, right? That's it. So you have to input it like this, and this is a system generated email. You can actually change that also, right? You can just go through the whole code if you understand what you're doing, but I'm just gonna change this. This is the system generated email, right? So I'm gonna change that, and yeah, so this is it. system generated email. So I'm gonna change that to, right? So I'm gonna clear this off. So I'm gonna change it to this email was generated automatically, right? That's the best. If you want to say, so that's gonna be the best. So that's the best, right? This email was generated automatically, but you can just submit it if you want, or change the color. But I'm gonna submit, right? And in the email settings, you can actually just click on the email settings and change this from PHP mail to SMTP. This is the best. Change to SMTP, input your SMTP host, SMTP ports, and wherever you want. Yeah, that's it. Goodbye.